Let's be honest, dating can be super exhausting. I think it's also one of the most vulnerable things we do, especially like going out and trying to meet somebody in public. Dating can be intense and exhausting, and especially, fatigue with the apps and all of that. I think the tools in the InLove workshop really help with those. The InLove workshop is for everyone, whether you're single or dating or in a relationship. But I just wanted to talk about dating today because I know it's something that, some of us are out there doing and trying to figure out like who we are in that field and what we're looking for and how to create the relationships that we want or find the like casual dating partners that we want. So if you're interested in all of that and you're dating right now, come join the InLove workshop. It's a great place to meet people and to connect with other people who are really thinking about these things and learning and growing in this area. And I think you'll get some phenomenal tools to help you date and relate on an emotional and sexual level. It's coming up in February and we hope to have you there.